Good morning, traders. Speed here. Welcome into this new weekly review. Let's find some good opportunities to trade during this week, starting with S&P. So basically, you know what I think. If you saw my last weekly overview, the momentum is bullish. Okay, but if we look on the long-term perspective, this is the key zone. I just want to see something building above the zone I mean, to to get me feel comfortable enough to go long, to go bullish in a very definitive way. Obviously, I'm talking about the technical analysis, and I'm talking about um, a very conservative way to trade. Okay, um, the aggressive traders position the aggressive position traders probably is going to are building right by now all the long positions. Okay, and they probably feel comfortable enough to see price over here. Okay, um, yeah, on intraday, on the middle term perspective, we are already bullish because um, we have so many structures that have been already broken. Okay, like also historical structure. Yeah, historical is not the right word. I mean, huge structure like this. Okay, and structure inside the the microstructure, the small structure. Okay, the small trend inside. So as you can see, look at also on look at the inclination of the range. Okay, we have here this, and this is seems pretty much strong. Okay, also look at this one. This is not so clear, but on gold, this is so much more evident. Anyway, lots of structure that have been broken means higher highs and higher lows. Okay, and above all, what's really important to me are volumes. We are not on future here, so volumes this are not real, but I just check it, and it's yeah, they are very similar to the centralized volume. Okay, so as you can see, look at the picks. Okay, so if we take a look to the bullish picks, every time you see a pick, you see impulse that follow the pick. Like here, one impulse, two impulse. Where is the other one? Here, this here as well. We have this impulse. If we take a look, if you do the opposite thing, so let's see how the seller volume picks reacted. As you can see, no impulse follow this pick. Okay, no impulse, no impulse, no impulse, no impulse. Yeah, probably this one. You must. It's very very weak. So what does it mean? We have a strong bullish effort. We have strong bullish aggression. Right by now, the market is on buyer side, and we have this dominance that basically are is guiding the market, is riding the market here. Okay, So these buyers are riding the market. These are the guys that are guiding everything. So under their command, okay, we are under their command. Um, okay, that's pretty much it. So in on intraday and short term and middle term perspective, we're going to be bullish, and we start to uh, building something good. On a long term perspective, on my opinion, we have to wait the supply zone to be broken. Okay, just because on a very long term perspective, this is 4 hour time frame. As you can, well, yeah, we can take the daily. Um, as you can see, we are clearly bearish again. Okay, so no doubt about it. Okay, so what about Nasdaq is more or less the same. Let's have a look to Euro USD, and as you can see, yeah, things here are so much more evident. I mean, look, we are for all time frames, sorry, but it's the same. I mean, structure that been broken, structure that been broken. Sorry for my drawers. Structure that had been broken. Okay. So what does it mean? Buyers are. We have a strong amount of buyers, strong amount of volumes, buyer volumes that are guiding the market. So as you can see, a lot of picks. Every time we see picks, we see an impulse that follow the pick. So here, and we can say the same thing on the seller side. Okay, so more or less what I just told on S&P. Okay, the difference, um, we are quite far from the zone. Well, not so far. We're not so far. Anyway, now price today is short because what I suppose the price is going to get, and on intraday we can see so much better. The value zone. Sorry, this value zone. Okay, price probably want to re-enter inside the premium zone. Sorry, the discount zone over here, where are no volumes, probably here, as you can see. Low volumes, very low volume here. So around the 75. So probably price is going to react, take volume here and go long again. Okay. Now price is breathing. Okay. But the target will be this supply zone. Okay. What about USDCAD? If you follow my previous video, you know that we are short. Um, we are short around from more or less here. Okay. We are short here, and the target will be this supply zone. Okay, now price is a little bit retracing just because has for Euro USD needs to breathe and to grab all the volumes around this area to go short again. Okay, this is a clear like a schematic, and the reason why I was short from here is just because if you take a look at my previous weekly review, this is all clear, and I explained to you the reason why I'm short following the Wyckoff schematic. Okay. The last thing I want to tell you is gold. And so, as I told you, 4 hour time frame, look at the momentum. So look, the inclination matters. I mean, look here and look here. So look at how price, um, how long price, how bars price need to make the same space. I mean, from here to here, to go from this level to this level, and to from this level to this level, which is more or less the same, but the box is probably more less than half of this one. So this for me is pretty much clear. The same happen here, and look at this last impulse. Okay, that broke this structure, that broke this structure. Okay, so I don't trade gold because, to be honest, it's a market that in which I don't feel comfortable enough. I don't know enough. I have no uh, a huge amount of back tests that I made on it, but to be honest, things are clear here on gold. Okay, much more clear than the other on the other market that we just saw. And yeah, we are long. uh, the position traders probably had already started to build something here. My advice is to wait for the price to reach the discount zone, so under the 50% of the last range. Sorry, so here. Okay, so and see all the volume nodes here on the volume area, and here. So one position here, and another position here, and another here. Okay, to be honest, my forecast will be this one. Okay, will be this one also in gold. Um, okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you like this kind of content. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.